Can you tell that what sounds come out from this consonant?
Okay. No, I can't. I think this one is like
Right,
mango.
right,
Yeah.
right.
And this one,
This one.
yeah, I don't think is it
No, this mark, this one.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know which one it is. Yeah, I see what it is, but I don't know the sound.
B.
B, 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 b,
Then this
b,
one. P, p, p,
p,
p. Pen, pen,
p, p,
pen, pen.
pen.
This one.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna get there. N.
Right, good,
N.
good, very good. And
D.
right, good,
dog.
good. And T,
T.
T, right. And
L.
right, L, right. And
G.
good,
Or
good, right.
or K. Yeah.
Yes. And this one.
I don't know that one.
K, 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 k.
Wait, then tell me what this other one is next to the L, right before the L, right before that one that looks like an E. What's that one?
T.
T. Okay.
T.
Okay.
And this one. Right. Sky. And
I think that one is
juice.
Okay.
Juice. This one.
Wait a minute. I want to get this one first. Juice. This one. I'm not sure what that one is.
Chair.
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 And if it goes final consonant, right? And this one.
I don't know.
Hat.
Hat for hat.
Okay. Hat. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, right.